Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon dandelion. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our dandelion, we're going to begin with the actual flower part up here. Now, to begin, we're going to start here, and we're just going to make some little pointy lines like this. I'm going to make these come all the way down here, and the trick is you want to make these sort of form like a circle shape. It's a little easier said than done, but you can see I'm just going to come around here and I'm making these little points. I kind of changed the direction and I made them start to curve around, and we're just going to make lots of little pointed lines all around here. Next, we're going to make the stem. I'll begin right here. We're going to make a line that's going to curve to here. And I'm going to start here. I'm going to make another one that's going to go down. It's going to get a little skinnier as it comes down here. Now, right here, we want to make the leaf. I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up and down. Another one that goes up and down. One more here, and then one more that's going to go up, and it's going to come straight up like this. Starting here, we're going to go across, and then I'm going to come up. You want to go down, and then up again. Down and up. And this time we're going to go out, and we're going to connect this to here. Then we're going to make a nice long line here. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and down to make another leaf. We'll go up and down, and we're going to go up and down with a point. You just want to continue that on this side by just going up and down a few times and then connecting to here. Once you're done, let's make a nice little line that comes to here. Now we're going to add a little face on here. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go down and then over. And I'm going to make this just a little bit darker. Next, starting here, I'm going to make another line that's going to go down and over. And we'll just make it a little darker. Next, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go across. It's going to go down and then up here. And I'm going to add a couple little lines right here. Now I want to make some of the little kind of like dandelion seeds flying away. To do this, we're going to make almost like a small version of this. So we're just going to put a couple little pointy rounded shapes here. So we'll do one here. I'll do one over here. And I'm going to do one up here towards the top. Next, just add a little line coming off of each one. And you want to color in a little black oval at the end of them. So it looks like they're kind of blown away. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cartoon dandelion. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.